So welcome to another edition of VGA Development. I know how to use a VGA video page builder. And if other people may when I put up a video, certain place I look at it. And towards concerned to the religious faction part of me, I'm going to spill and say something to some people. Some things in our life is no bar wall. Sometimes we hear something is no bar wall because it will be a lamb to the slaughter, them slaughter a long time. So it's just a we's not a lamb. We are real lion upon the land. If we vex both people we really I treat Rastafari business the wrong way. But this is not the hour. We'll try to like give you guys some education thing from a technical point of view. Okay, today I'm gonna introduce you guys to my video builder. Okay, there is a more advanced version of it, of course. This was the first drawing on the board. So during the time we had window and we had flash, right? That was flash was a big part of the web as I was doing flash. I included a window and I had created a dialog box here so you can actually fill out these areas, click on it, and it'll write the codes for you, right? Remember, and then window. It will show you the window play. I don't know if it will show me the window play. No, I mean no window anywhere. Me and that. Okay, because I don't have anything in it. I don't have a window program in it at the moment to really see that. Okay, I will demonstrate the HTML because the HTML is much regular. So while we're at it, no, we should really go someplace where I can get like a HTML stuff for my like maybe saved in my thing. So right here. Anyway. Okay, so we start out by you can see the menu and it's in black and white, right? But okay, we got a file manager in there too. So if you build a file in this, it start populating the file manager. And you can hit on the file manager to re-edit your work and all that, right? And this is one of the first edit I'm gonna try to integrate into WordPress. I think it's great to have it in WordPress as a tool. Okay. Um, so where to start? If we can start about text. We got a little text box here, and this text box is you can set a style, and okay, oops, we didn't even like write anything. You know what I mean? So, I mean, huh. But this is good. While I don't use the box, so I don't know why this half of the program is not up anywhere. I wouldn't know right now because I got to figure that's a bug. Okay, I'll do a new page. Right. And what's not coming up in this one right here is this text size and the text color. Well, we can insert it and try to view them. Close this out. All right. So it's here. You see where I made the text. All right. So I did a lot of work in the text area. I don't know why am I back? Why we are not? There we go. Okay. Let's get the size of the text. It seems like somehow something's going on here. Let's close the box again. Open it back. Well, there is something there invisible, so I'll need to check that out. And okay, okay. All right, let's move along into something more interesting. I'm bummed why my drop down is not working, and it was working before. So I'll get to that. And it shouldn't, something it should be working. Okay. So we'll stream to these guys. We won't make a play here and anything of that nature. But we'll stick a menu in and uh, I did put just one style sheet because I like the style sheet because, okay, I'll go here. Did I put it in yet? No. Let's do it now then. Okay. Okay, I did put it in. The damn thing was done. You know what I mean? I did take out the style sheet. Okay, I did change it to the S. Okay. Well, that style sheet gonna give me like a dark. And if you want to look at the menu now, we can look at the menu now and we can see we have a dark menu there. Right? You know what I mean? That kind of way. I think the machine somehow some strain is on my machine or something, because the machine it acts strange like like the memory, random like the random access memory inside of my computer. See like that. Anyways, get this on. Alright. So we can continue by sliding down here and we can choose. Look at through the first body. That's kind of cool. In between the body, and then we'll do a content image thing, right? And I'll slide down. Let's do a listing too. Let's stock in it. You know what I mean? And then we can go ahead and do this. Now, this is what we just did, right? And to really view it more, we would say, okay, generate it inside the source code for me. So I created a source code just by doing that. Okay, then we can look at it on the web as a regular web page, right? There's much more to it than that, still, But I'm just showing you the quick. And these are the early bootstrap stuff. You know what I mean? When just like really dealing with bootstrap stuff, the early days and bootstrap was a lot of these guys stuff in the early days, but now they are what we would say gone in a five and this and all that kind of stuff. Oh yeah, we had a link window making links and you can create a button. Let's see if this thing still works. Right? Let's do a primary button, right? HTTP type and do to a tool top and da. We got what here? We're just trying to bring up the URL. Let's copy the URL anyway, right here. Don't see? All right. Is it doing it backward? Right. So we call it some site. Okay. And then we'll ask it to do its thing. Where am I? Am I in where am I? Okay. Let's go back to body. Okay. So we're there in the body, right? Okay. View the body for me. And perhaps if I can find this button. There it is. You see it? But the reason why it's not a primary button like this one, I'm going to show you why. So I need to go into right here, remove this guy right here. Okay. Okay. I need to generate it and then view it. Okay. Let's find that primary button that I just put in the bottom. There it is, the new site button, right? And it goes to the address. Okay. So my anchor link dialog box will create a button for you, not just a link. It's the type of work we do inside the code, right? What's this over here? And we got a little Java picture thing happening. Bam, 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 bam. And you go put the name, you put the name, you put the size, you put the alternate name, and all that stuff. I do Java. Oh, most of the stuff I wrote it out in Java, and then I began to change it into like these little. You see the way I just opened that right there? Okay. I want it was a Java like this one right here. It was a Java tool, and I made it into this. So you can do like images, right? And let's speak about the HTML. Um, but for some reason, I stopped. There we go. Okay, I gotta dig deep into this program. Right here, right about here in the program, there's an invisible wall, and the wall is set at an index that brings it in front of here. So when the tool load over here, let me go back in there. You see what I'm telling you? It goes behind the invisible wall. Move it from behind the invisible wall, right? So this thing about program, that's weird. That's wow. I can use that, right? Okay. So remember when I loaded this, right? And I kept saying, why? Move you over here, please. You see? Color. That's what I'm saying. Okay, let's start. Give you guys a little demonstration about my text thing. We still got everything is there. We still choose that, and we're gonna say, put the text back for us, please, and let's get a view. Um, so now you see, definitely we have red, right? Cool. And this bad boy here, yeah. Let me catch a tail. All right. Sometimes go up too much, and I'm get the tail to make it come down. See that thing that someone can do this with it, right? That kind of stuff. So my program come like a desktop, right? So cool. So you guys see what is going on with that. We can grab like a quick here and grab a video from my other tool. Oh, I forgot. I didn't make a back click. I sort of removed that function that you couldn't back click and copy it. Ah, hell, a small program I still know how to do it. But it's just for the dumb people who can't know what to do. I'm weird, huh? So okay, we'll talk about the width. And we're just gonna set a 500 width in there. Sometimes you don't have to set the height up, and you set the width to like 500. It'll be taken care of. But let's just go ahead and do one lesson. Um, you can set the autoplay, and if you want to mute the audio, video type is MP4, and you want to preload the media. At this point, we want to insert the media, and we want to preview this media.
In 2166, an immortal tyrant named Vandal Savage conquered the world and murdered my wife and child. I have assembled an elite team to hunt him throughout.
So, as I would call it, the video page builder, right? You can do audio with it still. Of course, I'm saying to you guys, there is a top-notch version. Okay, that be the version I'll tell someone to pay me for, because when you generate like an audio player, you will generate an audio player that is a wave player. And when you generate like video pages and stuff like that, it's generating stuff like YouTubes and all that kind of stuff out of it. And you know, I'm gonna implement in it now that it can also generate a full social community. So this let's begin as the higher version of it is more going to be with AI version of the program where you tell it to do click on a button for one particular thing. I'll have one button there, you click on it. Video website, you click it, it just generates a whole video website for you. And you can just like take what you want out of it. Music website, one button, and it's there for you. You can just like then customize it. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Okay, this is another stuff from BGA at smtvs.com. Hope you like what you've been seeing. We show you some more. We'll come back and show you some more of what the editor can do when we finish refitting the other version, we will definitely show you a lot more.